Hi everyone, so today I'm with a brand new model called Adele. She's absolutely stunning. I'm going to show you a really easy style with elastics. So I've started off by just placing a bit of hair just to face frame around the front, and then I'm just collecting all the hair around the crown. I don't really need to use a comb for this bit, just using my fingers. You can do a bit of back comb if you want a little bit of height, but Adele's got quite natural height already. And then I'm going to do a little twist towards the right, just a little twist, and then a push up. And what that's going to do is just create a really, really nice shape to start this style, using some grips just to secure that into place like so. And then you hold on to that so it doesn't move and you don't loosen it. And you just start to tease up the very top. So you can decide at this point sort of how much volume you want to use. Um, I went for sort of medium amount, not too big. And then I take a strand of hair on the left hand side and twist it towards the centre using a pin again. She's got quite thick hair, so I actually use two here. And again, I just kind of tease that out a little bit. And then you're going to come to the right hand side and you're going to twist again towards that center. I want this braid to kind of sit over the right shoulder. So you can already see that I'm angling this style to start coming over to the right. So it's not dead center at this point. It is starting to come to the right, and you're going to pin that one into place with one or two or three grips, it doesn't matter, until you feel like it's secure. And again, you're going to kind of tease that out to where you want it to sit, how much volume you want. Then you're going to change it up a little bit. You're going to take a strand from the left hand side and then a strand of hair from the right hand side, and we're going to join those together in an elastic. But again, can you see that I've kind of like brought it over to the right a little bit? So the left section is a little bit longer than the right, and I've just teased that out. You're going to go again, left section, right section, elastic, and tease. And Adele's got quite a lot of hair, so I was able to go really big with the pulling out. But if there's less hair, just don't quite pull quite as much. And you're going to continue this technique all the way down. So left and right, I've sort of found it easier to bring that braid over onto that right shoulder now. So I know exactly what it's going to look like at the end. Doing lots of teasing out just on the last section now. You can decide sort of how far down you want it to go. Make sure it's all nice and pulled out and big. Yeah, and that's that one, that last one just going in there. And then I just left out a few sections at the start where I thought it was a bit heavy. So I'm pinning this into the style, and I think it looks really, really pretty just to have a few kind of loose curls just sitting on top of that braid. It just really softens the style, but you don't have to do this bit. Give it a quick V-curl, and then you're going to see the 360 spin. There she is, looking gorgeous. So I just feel like it's a really easy technique to do. A few pins and some elastics. It's going to stay all day. Great for wedding guests or occasion hair. So let me know in the comments what you guys think.